Hi, today I'm going to show you how to configure Microsoft Outlook to connect and get your email from DigiTar Premier apps, and also to configure Sync so that you can get your calendar and contacts synchronized from apps into Outlook. First, let's open up Outlook 2007. I'm going to go to the Tools menu and Account Settings to first set up your email. We want to create a new email. We're going to use our demo user Joe Blow, and we're not going to put a password in yet because we need to manually configure some settings. Check that and hit Next. We want Internet Email. We'll notice that most of our settings that we typed in have come over. We want to change the account type to IMAP. The incoming email server is going to be imap.emailsrvr.com, and the outgoing is going to be smtp.emailsrvr.com. The username will be the full email address, and then the password for the account. We also are going to want to go into more settings here. Go to the outgoing server and tell it that we need authentication for the outgoing server, and have it use the same settings as the incoming server. We hit Test, and everything is working correctly. So we'll go ahead and finish this. Great, and we can see that a new mailbox has been set up, and it works properly. And all of this is coming in straight from the server, including our digest. The next thing we need to do is install the Sync for Outlook plugin. We're going to open up our browser, and we're going to go to DigiTar Support. And if you search for Apps Sync on our support site, you'll come up with this page that has a download link for the Sync utility. You'll notice that I've already downloaded it. So we're going to go into my downloads and run Sync for Outlook. And just click Next to the install. That's fine. Go ahead and hit Run Sync for Outlook. Okay, now that Sync for Outlook is running, we're going to go and open up Outlook. Outlook has to be running first for this to be able to connect. Then we're going to go back to Sync for Outlook, go to the Tools menu, go to Options, Account, and we're going to put in our full email address and our password. And then we're going to go to Sync, and we're going to control which items are synced, and we're also going to tell it to synchronize every 15 minutes. We say OK. And then if I hit this button here, we'll notice that it is running synchronization. This is OK. We're going to do a full sync first. Notice that it's pulled down my contacts, my calendar, etc. And I can then minimize this. And if I look at my calendar, I now have items that were not there before, and I have my default contacts. You can also run Sync for Outlook from inside of Outlook from this menu that's been added. And you can say Sync All, which will pull this up, and actually will run Sync for Outlook if it's not actually running, and we'll do this for you. And that's all there is to it.